Hello, we are going to learn how to find the HCF using Euclid's division lemma. To make it look very simple, what we are going to do is we are going to divide the larger number by the smaller number. Let's see what do we get. So we have 1, 2, 5, 7, 6, and we are dividing by 4052. Now we know that it can go 3 times, so let us write a 3 on the top and we get 1, 2, 1, 5, 6. We subtract, we get, just a minute please. Okay. When we subtract, we get 420. Now what we are going to do is we are going to divide the previous divisor by 420. So we are going to put it up this way and this way. So now we have 4052. Now the quotient over here, when we divide, we get a 9. So 900, 9 twos are 18, 9 fours are 36, 37, 3780. Now we will once again subtract and get the remainder, and the remainder shall be 272. Once again we divide the previous divisor by 272. So we write 420 here and it goes 1 times into 420, so 272, and we get 8, 4 and 1. We shall again divide 272 by 148 and we once again have just a 1, so it is 148. We are left with 124. Once again we divide the previous divisor and that gives us 148, and when we divide we write 1 on the top, 124, and then the remainder shall be 24. Now we divide the previous divisor once again by 24 and we get 6, so 120, and then we have a 4, and once again we divide the last divisor by 4 and we get 4 6 are 24 and the remainder is 0. So before you start writing the Euclid's division lemma, you should first divide it on one side like this. Now we are going to write it in the Euclid's division lemma form. So we have the number 1, 2, 5, 7, 6, which can be written as the divisor, which was 4052, times the quotient, that is 3, plus the remainder, which was 420. Now we will take up the first divisor, 4052, which can be written as 420 times 9 and plus the remainder, which was 272. Now we will write 420, which is equal to 272 times 1 plus 148. Then we go to the next one. We have 272. We divided by 148, which went into it one time, and the remainder was 124. Now we pick up 148, which is from here 124 times 1 and then plus 24. Then we take up this step, that is 124 equals to 24 times 6 plus 4, and then the last one, 24 equals to 4 times 6 plus 0. Now the last number by which we divided was 4, and that becomes the HCF. This is how we find the HCF using Euclid's division lemma. So instead of writing it directly this way, what we do is we first divide it separately so that we know what times what and what is the remainder. It becomes easy to write it this way. Thank you for watching.